All right.
Check your drum board to see if.
Have you ever seen the Shameless episode when they started like ripping down that place?
Yeah.
That's what this fucking wall looks like.
That's what it reminds me of, for real.
Yeah, that's exactly what it reminds me of. That's always built it. It always makes sense, bring a mill. What's that?
I don't know.
It's a fire alarm.
No, that's that fucking fire alarm. I bumped it and it went off. I just ripped it off the wall and threw it now. The return of the red rocket, baby.
Travis can.
Oh, shit. She's getting there. Damn, wolf. By a damned old train, hang around as long as you will. Oh. Ooh. She's nasty, boy. She's nasty. It's all right. We still love her. Dirty bitch. You raggedy bitch. Who knows I do a shit ton of wrong. Her ass is always around. Damn. Well, I think you get the gist. So once this slow ass process is over, we'll tear some more shit up.
Is it dead?
No, should be on the light all the time.
Yeah.
She's recording right now, buddy.
Oh, hell. Make sure I ain't looking at the goddamn ground.
Let's see, give her a look. Give her a look. Oh, damn. Go all the way down. Go up.
Right here?
There you go. That's not good. There you go, bang.
Right there. Hell yeah. I get something to drink before I get these motherfuckers a tour. Demo Dan back at it again. It's a wall right here at one time. Damn shoes. Demo Donnie out here. Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Just
Red Rocket, baby.
Red Rocket. We leaving this down here too? Or can
Nah,
I?
I'm taking that out.
I'll get her.
We're gonna kick its ass, too.
Ow. Well, did I put Big Blue down here, didn't I? Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. In the bush, yeah.
Oh, George W. She's an old George W. Get your ass out of there. Yeah. Little lock.
Boy, I couldn't beat that with a stick, son. Kicking my ass.
Let her do it to you, boy. So that whole pole comes out?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
So she'll push that out.
Gotcha.
Hell yeah.
Kick her.
Hey!
Hey, just watch out for your downspout.
Oh shit.
Fuck, I need to try this weapon.
I'm about to go. There we go. And then hit her. We good.
Right there.
Right there. Is that where I hit it?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I'll rub her out. That does not sound good. I'll rub one out.
Shoot a buff out.
If it rained one good time, it'll buff out. Somebody said that one time. We scratched the shit out of the driveway doing a move, and I said, oh, it'll come out. It'll rain one good time.
Damn, boy.
Hell yeah. Where's little mama at? She in here? There you go. You don't need no hammer when you got all that ass. You don't need it when you got all that ass. There she is. Sitting here bitching like, boy, yeah, use me all day. I'll use
When you
you.
got all this ass, nigga.
I was gonna say we got all that ass.
Alright.
What you wanna do, boy? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Some... Oh! I about fell off the porch.
Don't do it, boy.
I'll do it. Don't tell me not to do it. I'll fucking do it.
Nice.
Oh, hell no. Alright. We ain't got,
She's D-screen.
and there ain't no porch on here no more, boy.
She has been fucked.
She has. Royally.
Want to clean this up a little bit?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm set this fucking Gatorade to my filter user.
Oh, we're gonna be sitting here all day then.
You can kill the footage, my boy.
What's that? Is it on top? Is it on bottom?
These styrofoam cups